Ka Ultras bertemai, wan berpersang nyai ke kali Ultras bertemai ke branch penmi dekat Tata Motors. Ki features berbon jat bon rukom, wan test drive Frank Motors haneng moble like Korni Shillong.
All new Ultras feels special.
Kinoyalam jaga seng Kongres mentah kesingi gila mi syakmat ringkat ki plakan ban pinram mi ke jingsha kem jengki arun ki sister ha ke jala Chhattisgarh. Usketri ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Manuel Badwar ulong ba ka politik kalarung badwanra ke jingya pat yapra bat kani kalong ke ke basungsi ban yui. Kisdang da kani ke jing pen pat pen pra khana bakin yo ke jing mentoy ha ka por election. Kani kalaya mentala bun snem. Ula benrap dah ke baong bagi parlok Hindu ki basa Meghalaya ki em hak jing suk jing san henry ha ki bagi jala ki sedang da kini ki kam manwara ki jing tieng ye ki rit pan ke jing mi banra plakat jong ke Kongres kam dei tang namar kani jingja ke berangja shen henry ke dei ke bela juja na ke por syakapor hang ni ha Meghalaya wat lagi pelong ki jingya pajpa ni ki yatra kam don kanu kanu jing khanglat namar ki thrang bandon kata ke jingya teli kibai ki bakran ki kinthub usamla ban phira basaimon ubala ther ra ka bating ya ka soka BJP ka batmu ban pintroin bat pinting ya ki rit pa ha gani gari ulong bahang ni ha Meghalaya ka jing mani blai kalong ka balat lut wala da ki basin syara khli du ki si
hane hari khasi ke jongi hari khasi jainti agaro ka jing mani blai ke jongi ka dong landoj tabalada hakli do asin sya da ki brio ki ba isi ki bashone ki rit pa nila banyo no ikisni ki jongi sakat no kali kisni bangila banya mani landoj ya ka niam ka bangingen ke ublei bangingen kani ke jinglum ko jongi kamdei bangilum banya pin songshin ban pin ya ban divide shushu banya phya shushu para jai ben rio reni ke jinglum ko jongi kadai ba hakapor basanyon ki beret barya ni don lang shiken hon ke jingile ke jongi ke Kongres kamdei banya syak siliang ini no rekejing ele jong Kongres baru sikata kedai ban island ban ya buram markeliang banya pen baladodon keno kejing sajan ben kasur jong Kongres kan sawajam tinang ni syakman ngangit skem baki para jan beriu kejongi ki para citizen jong kanika jela kejongi inlong ki bepetman inlong ki paskotho ya kerkomlong ke politik sapok India ke politics of division nimkwa ke politics ke unite ke politics ke penya teli kedai ka thong ke jongi ke Kongres.
We as a Congress stand very much against and we should not allow this, and I believe every community, every religion, every human that is existing, that is living in this land of ours, this beautiful land of ours, should not allow such things to even happen and should not allow this thing to take precedence. And I believe so that as a Congress and as people who actually feels for just about everybody that we live as one, that we need to unite in order for us to grow, in order for this country to grow. We believe that we need to come together and, we need to come together and condemn whatever is happening, and we need to show a voice. We need to show a voice so that the government of the state also takes action which is a little bit more, should I say, a little bit more stronger, a little bit more vocal. We have an MP, our honorable MP from the Congress, who had spoken on Parliament, but the moment he had spoken, even the mic was switched off. You can well understand exactly where is the democracy that is existing. The democracy is gone. So we need to change all of that. We really need to change all of that, and I think that should start with the public at large. We, especially in Meghalaya, where it's so cosmopolitan, especially in Shillong, and I think that kind of a change should happen from us, because only citizens can do the change. It is not the political leaders, it is not anybody, it is not religion. Nobody can bring the change, but it has to come up from our own hearts. It has to come out from our own thoughts. And I believe so that we stand here and we condemn against this injustice that keeps on happening, and the atrocities, because it is something that it will keep on culminating, because if somebody does bad to somebody, then somebody will do bad to somebody else, and we start looking at each other rather than having a friendship kind of an approach. People will start looking at each other with a lot of suspicion, and that's the kind of thing we need to stop in this society.